All right, check out what the guys got done here. We got this wreath up over here, got the garland going up on the post, got the garland here swagged out here on the wall. That looks sharp. Got garland coming around the corner here. That looks good. Front porch done, roof line done. That's looking good. Julio setting up this 60-inch wreath. Hey Julio, make sure we take that tag off, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure we pull that tag off there, the white tag. How's this look? Let's take a look.
I like it.
Looking good?
Looks good to me.
Let's take a peek. Rudy, is he picking on you? He picking on you? That looks good. Yeah, that looks real good. Better get out of this road before I get run over. Looks real good. You like it?
I like that.
Gonna look good at nighttime.
Yeah.
I'll get you some pictures.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at these minis over here. See what the guys got going on. Got the minis over here on these hollies. Yep. Got some minis here. Guys doing good? Yeah, it looks good. Good work, guys. That looks nice. This looks nice here too. Hey, Kevin, got a white tag out front there. Here on the garland. On the garland, white tag hanging. What?
It's unacceptable. Leaving tags on the garland.
Well, you can't see it from there, but I did.
Yeah.
That drives me crazy. Julio knows. Julio said, I don't leave no tags from Mr. Bob's work. Julio said, that's a good way to get fired. I lost my last 5 Christmas helpers, didn't you? They take the tags off, Julio fired them.
Fire?
All right.
When do you want to go check out?
Kelly's house?
Yeah.
When's your,
Should be here soon.
you want to do that and come back?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys making out? Good? Where you gonna plug in at? You got an outlet?
Right here. On this rope.
Off ours? Okay. Good thinking. All right, we've got a wreath up, 30-inch wreath and a bow here on this fireplace. That's gonna look good at night. That's gonna pop out really nice. Got this outdoor kitchen. We got some garland down here. Pre-lit garland here on these posts. That's gonna really look sharp. All right, we're gonna go look at another project around the corner. We'll talk to you guys soon. We got it coming off your office up here. Got some garland. It's illuminated at night. Got a wreath on the back side of here, wreath on the other side where you guys sit at nighttime. So 5 wreaths out here, bows. Front entrance got bows.
Nah, I mean, looks beautiful. I mean, if you don't have your video team take a fucking video of this, you're crazy. Well, my video team too, at night, come take a video of the whole thing. And you can do a testimonial.
Okay. Graydon, this is Lance. Lance is Graydon.
Hey, nice to see you. Tell Lance Bach, man. How's it doing?
Doing well.
Good. Nah, I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. I got no complaints, man.
Okay.
I love it.
But Edward
I
gets,
can't wait to see it up tonight.
Edward gets in that season. Anything you want to add, I told Emily, just let me know.
Yeah, I mean, I just.
She seemed happy.
Jesus, Joseph and Mary, I just walked into a winter wonderland. What's going on here, guys? What's going on here?
baby, it's
Look at this place. Who's doing all this stuff?
My man Bob Carr, baby, call him.
What's we got going on? Winter wonderland?
I had to get him before we booked for the year. For holiday season's here, man. Get him.
Jesus.
Look at this place.
Kelly
we
called
come
me.
back here
Kelly
and
called me this morning. That's where we just came from.
Yours?
Kelly,
That's
yeah, your
beautiful,
sister.
man.
Looks incredible.
So look good at nighttime for sure. All the roof's done. Front roadie's done.
Farm life. Jesus Lord.
The only thing I think they switched was that the 60s on the fireplace and the 48s up top on the white.
The
Okay.
60s. I would think we want 75s on the fireplace.
So we got this illuminated here, Lance, coming off your office.
Yeah.
Down there on the fireplace.
I bet you. Yeah, I mean,
Then we got
I came from-
you a wreath up over here, and we got that's illuminated too down here on this garage.
That green garlic.
That's, huh?
They wear that green stuff.
Yeah,
Could they do those 3 poles, those wooden ones?
yeah. Of course we can. This is America.
Yeah, like those. I think my wife would like that.
We can do that.
Don't you think, Bill? Just when you're sitting out here.
I like how there's
3
no
pieces.
fucking wires anywhere.
Yeah, there's no wires. Where the fucking wires at?
All hidden.
That's nice.
And we did down there at the carriage house too. With the front piece of that. That'll look good
Yeah,
at night. That brings your eye down to it, you know.
Yeah.
And we did these here because you guys are always sitting out here, Lance. So this is wrapped. And then you
that's
sit up
nice.
here and you see this over here.
That's nice. It's fucking beautiful. Yeah, I can't complain. The whole thing looks beautiful. Yeah, I love it. I fucking absolutely love it. I can't wait to fucking see it at nighttime.
What do you think, Uncle Bill?
It's great. It's a great testimonial for your business.
All right, so let's get 3 pieces of pre.
These 2.
Huh?
These 3 too. All 6.
Doing all 6?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll get that done. Thank you, guys.
Bob, I'll see you, buddy.
Take care, guys. Nordy. Get some help. We need 6 pieces.
6 pieces?
We've got 3 columns to do real quick.
Okay.
You were right.
Well, I was with you and with me. Both sides of it.
Huh? You can see both sides?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought about doing them. I mean, I'm fine either way.
He said these 2 also, but
Do all 3.
yeah. Hey,
What do you got?
Drew wants a price check with you. You want to wait until we're on the road? Or can you call him?
Drew on the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, he can call me. Tell him to call me now.
Yeah, just send it to him and call him back.
Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.